to AG I am Isaiah George.
I'm Angel Mary George.
Today we're gonna make a lamb curry. Stay tuned. Can I say it first, please?
Okay.
No.
I never get to say it.
Okay.
I'm not cooking though.
Huh?
I don't want to do this anymore because of ice.
What did I do?
See, this is the problem. You just don't want to do it together. Alright guys, so the ingredients you need. The 2 pound of lamb meat is washed and cleaned really good. 2 medium-sized red onions sliced. 2 medium-sized tomatoes. 1.5 inch ginger. 2 green chilies. 6 clove garlic. Handful of cilantro. Handful of mint leaves. Half teaspoon black pepper. Salt for taste. 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder. 2 tablespoon garam masala. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 2 tablespoon coriander powder. 2 tablespoon red chili powder. 2 tablespoon cooking oil. I'm using coconut oil. You can use any oil, whatever you like. 2 bay leaves, 4 clove, 2 cardamom, and a small piece of cinnamon.
Let's go make our tasty lamb curry.
Turn the stove on. Okay, go ahead and put the coconut oil.
When the oil is hot, add our whole spices, which is cinnamon, clove, cardamom, and the bay leaves.
Now we are going to put the garlic.
Garlic. Whoa.
We are going to add the ginger. That's the ginger and green chilies. All like this.
Oh, okay. Okay, I got it.
Just go ahead and add onion. Mix it well. You know what you have to do? We need to add some salt now. So we are going
Let me
to
do it.
slowly spread it. Slowly. Mix it really good.
Now close the lid and put the heat on medium and cook it slowly.
Yeah. And mix it.
Where should I put it?
Put it down. Yeah. Okay, good. Alright, so now the onions are like a brown. Now add tomato. Now mix it really good. Close the lid. Are you enjoying cooking?
Yeah.
Gonna be ready soon?
Yeah, I think.
I am hungry.
Right. Can I open it?
Yeah, and mix it.
You, mine.
Mix it really good. So our onion and tomatoes cooked really good. Make sure you put the heat down and put the turmeric powder. Put the turmeric powder. Turmeric, yes. Now we are going to put all the spices in. Okay, no, you need to do this one really fast. Add the chili powder. Where's the chili powder?
Chili powder here.
Put the chili powder.
This one needs to do fast?
Yeah. Okay, now coriander powder. The cumin powder.
This?
Yes. Now you need to put the garam masala, but you don't put the whole thing in it. 1.5 tablespoon we're gonna put in now. We're gonna keep a little bit more. When it's cooking almost done, we're gonna add the rest of it. Now give it a good mix.
Can I do it, please?
Yeah, give me a second. We are going to add some water. Just a little bit of water. There you go, that's good. Now mix it up.
This looks like the red soup.
Yeah, becoming like red soup now, right? Smells really good, right?
Yeah, but it smells spicy.
Yep, it should be spicy. Now we are going to add our what?
Yes, please, let me do it. Please, I want to see what happens.
Slowly, don't mess it up. There you go. And now you need to mix it really good.
That looks like steak.
Close the lid. Cook it for 10 to 15 minutes because the lamb is going to take more time to cook. It's dependent on the size and the age of the lamb. So the cooking time is going to vary. It may be 15 to 20 or maybe more than that. So make sure you cook really good. The meat has to be tender. No, use your hand. Faster, otherwise you're going to get burned. Now use the mint leaves. You know the mint leaves over there?
This?
Yeah, use the whole thing. We're going to add the mint leaves. Coriander leaves.
This?
Not the whole thing. Just do half of it. Now mix it really good. Yeah.
It smells good.
Yeah, close the lid. Alright guys, so I've been cooking on high heat. Now you guys can see the water is coming down from the meat.
Now close the lid and put the heat on medium and cook it slowly.
In between, open the lid and give it a good mix. So you guys can see there's more water is coming down from the meat. Okay, when you cook like this, if you see there's no enough water, you need to add warm water, okay? So we may need a little warm water. Can you put that warm water in it a little bit? Yeah, because the meat is not tender yet.
In between, I've been adding hot water. I use around 2.5 cup. It took 45 minutes to cook this meat. In your case, it's gonna be different because some meat cook really fast. When you add water, you just go slowly. Add a little bit at a time as you need it. Our lamb meat is almost ready.
Can I taste it?
Yeah. Let me see your hand. Salt is enough.
Taste it. Wait, let me taste it again. I love that. Yeah, this is definitely good.
Half tablespoon the garam masala. I'm going to add that one now. Our black pepper also, I'm going to add it. Now give it a good mix. Check the salt also. If you need it, you can add it now. Alright, so our lamb is ready now. So I am going to add our cilantro and garnish it. And close it and turn the stove off.
Our lamb curry is ready. We're gonna try it with our naan bread.
Too hard.
There you go, guys. The lamb cooked really good. It's nice and soft. If you guys want to cook it really fast, you could do the same thing, but you know, you could put it in a pressure cooker. It will cook faster, but you know, I just don't like using pressure cooker to make the meat. So how do you like the lamb curry the way you cook?
It's super good. It's just I like the beef.
It's not a beef, this is a lamb.
I just like the lamb. I hope you like this recipe. Please like and share and subscribe. Until I see you next time, stay blessed.